Hey, welcome back to Jack's Kitchen. Today I've prepared for you Smoky BBQ lollipops. Hope you enjoy this one. These are always fun to make. So, can't forget that Worcestershire. And the liquid gold, in this case, is going to be Canadian maple syrup. Whip it around. You want a little bit of heat, just add some peppers. And grab your lollipops. First we have to make them, of course. Cut nicely around. Grab a paper towel. Very easy. And just rip them off. Sometimes it takes a little, 1 or 2 times, but you'll get the trick out of it. So when you're all done, grab your barbecue sauce, your marinade, get them all coated, throw them in there, get them all coated, make them look nice and little red lollipops. So then you're going to cover it, refrigerate it for 1 hour minimum. I've already done this for you. Obviously what would be best, do it overnight. But for this purpose of this video, I just chose to do the 1 hour. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoy. And you can serve it with anything, what you like. You can make it more spicy, more sweet, more smoky. Enjoy guys. Bon appetit.